Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to import a Photoshop project into your Adobe After Effects video or project. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Adobe After Effects program right here on your PC if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by the main page right here, where the first thing you'll be greeted by is the composition menu, where you can get started with creating your composition. You can select the quality right here, the width, height, and so on, all the info that you need. So here is all the info that you need. After that, you can get started with your composition, and you can go ahead and open up the project that you want to add the Photoshop file to. So after opening up your project guys, or creating a new one, now you can get started with importing it. So basically guys, all we have to do to import our file is two ways. Either we can go ahead and drag and drop it from our folder to our Adobe After Effects directly. So go ahead and drag and drop it right here into your project info. This is where all your files will appear. Or if you do not want to drag and drop it, what you can do is go to the files option right here in the upper right corner, and you can go ahead and import. So here is the import option, and now we can go ahead and either import a file or multiple files, whatever we want. We can import Adobe Premiere Pro project, anything we might want to use right here. So go ahead and select the Photoshop file from your PC directly, and this is going to enable it to be added to your Adobe After Effects. So yeah guys, that is it, how easy it's to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.